The Indian government has been promoting cashless payments for a very long time now. The Reserve Bank of India launched the digital rupee on 1st November 2022 for the wholesale segment. Will this be a game changer for India, especially after the crypto crash? With the rise in popularity of digital assets and a trend to move towards more digital money via cryptocurrencies, many central banks across the world have sensed the seismic shift in people's preferences. People have adopted crypto and are more inclined towards it due to the ease of use and the decentralized nature of them. Governments in particular are very skeptic about the decentralized nature of crypto and the lack of policy around it, with many nations like the US prompted to take steps to regulate cryptocurrencies. The Indian government has been promoting cashless payments for a very long time now, with the UPI scaling to unbelievable heights in India. Continuing with the trend, the Reserve Bank of India launched the digital rupee on 1st November 2022 for the wholesale segment as a pilot project. The digital rupee is technically called the Central Bank Digital Currency or the CBDC, which is a digital form of currency notes issued by the RBI. It is substantially not different from banknotes, but being digital, it is likely to be easier, faster, and cheaper. It also has all the transactional benefits of other forms of digital money. Will this be a game changer for India, especially after the crypto crash and a harsh tax ceiling on it by the Indian government? In this video, we will find the answers to these questions. We will see what digital rupee is. How is digital rupee different from cryptocurrencies? What is the objective behind launching the digital rupee? And most importantly, what impact will it have on businesses, since currently it is being launched in the wholesale segment? So what is digital rupee? Rachit Chawla, CEO Finway FSC said, the digital rupee ideated by RBI will be generated through an advanced payment system, which is affordable, accessible, convenient, efficient, safe and secure, and aims at further bolstering the digital economy. However, it should be noted that the concept of initiating digital currency is only to complement the existing forms of financial transaction and not replace them. It will provide users with an additional option for making payments while the existing payment system is still on place. Hence, it can be safely stated that digital currency will have absolutely no effect on the general currency usage, he added. Digital rupee will be used for issuing virtual currency for transactions in government securities. The money will be in virtual form, just like other cryptocurrencies, but the digital rupee will not be decentralized. It will be regulated by the RBI. The digital rupee will be completely legal and acceptable to the Indian government. The launch is being carried out in 2 phases. This is the first pilot phase where the digital rupee has been launched for wholesale transactions, that is, for large transactions. So how exactly is digital rupee different from cryptocurrency? Well, there is no direct comparison between the two of them. The digital rupee is not a commodity or a virtual asset, contrary to cryptocurrencies. Moreover, crypto coins are not exactly money. This digital rupee can be exchanged for cash, equivalent to the banknotes that central banks like the RBI issue in paper form. The RBI will continue to issue the CBDC, which will serve the same function as banknotes but is not a decentralized asset like cryptocurrencies. So what exactly is the difference? Rachit Chawla from Finway FSC noted, while both digital currency and cryptocurrency involve online modes of transaction, there are differences between the two. Central bank digital currency refers to the digital form of a country's fiat economy, while cryptocurrencies are an alternative form of payment with a unique algorithm. The digital currencies can be called as the country's digital fiat, and the cryptocurrencies are digital assets in a decentralized network. On the other hand, while the digital currencies are entirely regulated by the central bank and the government who set the value of the currency, cryptocurrency's value is independent of central banking authorities and follows a procedure from mining to ownership to transfer of assets. In simple words, Imagine having a note of 500 rupee in your pocket. The digital currency is nothing more than converting the paper note into digital form. It follows the same rules as fiat money, just in digital form now. Crypto, on the other hand, is not dependent for value on central banks. Its value is not controlled by a banking system, hence, it is a totally different asset class. The government stands behind the digital currency, same as they would in case of paper currency, which is, of course, not the case for crypto. So now one might think, well, what is the objective behind launching the digital rupee? The RBI's primary objective for launching the pilot project on the digital currency is to advance India in the race for virtual currencies. This is also because cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more popular. Rachit Chawla noted that the launch will undoubtedly change the game since the digital rupee will improve efficiency and transparency because of the application of blockchain technology. Additionally, blockchain will make ledger upkeep and real-time tracking possible. Both wholesale and retail customers will have constant access to the payment system. Indian customers can pay directly, saving transaction cost and enabling real-time account settlements. Additionally, using a digital rupee will speed up cross-border transactions and eliminate the need to open a bank account. Mahesh Shukla, CEO and founder PayMe added, this will also help direct payments from Indian customers, reducing transaction cost and enabling real-time account settlements. A digital rupee will expedite cross-border transactions and remove the requirement for opening a bank account. How will this impact businesses? The wholesale CBDC has the potential to transform the settlement systems for transactions and make them even more feasible for users. This will also bolster the country's overall digital economy and bring in more financial inclusion. Soon, the RBI will make available the CBDC for retail sector too. Furthermore, the use of the digital rupee will speed up cross-border transactions even for users linked to a particular bank account. RBI launching the pilot project on central bank digital currency from 1st November 2022 is projected to make the interbank market more efficient and secure. As stated by the Apex Bank, the move will reduce transaction cost by preempting the need for settlement guarantee, infrastructure, or for collateral to mitigate settlement risk. CBDC can be classified into two basic categories, retail and wholesale. Initially, the RBI rolled out digital currencies for the wholesale sector. The central bank has ideated wholesale CBDC for the settlement of interbank transfers and related transactions. Conclusion. But in conclusion, one can say the move from RBI has the potential to impact businesses at large by removing the hurdles in transactions. Also, the transparency that is enabled via the digital use is something the Apex Bank has in particular considered. Overall, the move seems to remove barriers to business and provide a smooth transaction for wholesale businesses, which may be extended to retail as well. Let's hope that the futuristic vision shown by the authorities bears fruit, and as citizens we make the best of the resource. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like. Also, subscribe to the channel for similar content on practical finance. Take care of yourselves and your families. God bless us all. Thank you.